Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you are fine and everybody is safe and sound. We'll wait for your classmates for a few more minutes so that maximum number of students have joined in, and then we can start off with the same thing that we left yesterday, जहाँ पर हमने जिस point पे छोड़ा था वहीं से discussion start करते हैं. I believe we were almost done with the first act. हमने text देख लिया था. We talked about Estragon, Vladimir, Lucky, Pozzo, and a boy. और हमने उस concluding scene को देख लिया था. Although I have tried my best to clarify or tell you what is the main crux of the entire play already, but we have to go through the text, and definitely we are doing it as fast as possible. The text is very easy. As you have seen, there are many repetitions, many pointers have been repeatedly written. So as such हम बहुत सारी चीजें मिस नहीं कर रहे. थोड़े से क्विक हैं लेकिन बहुत कुछ मिस नहीं हो रहा. कहीं पे कोई इंपॉर्टेंट बात है तो या तो आपके क्लासमेट्स या मैं कहीं ना कहीं उसको फॉलो अप में आपको बता ही देती हूँ. अदर देन दिस, there is a reading in your class, Google Classroom, जहाँ पे critical analysis of each act has been posted already. तो आप उस पे जाकर देख सकते हैं कि कौन से lines, कौन से pointers बहुत important है for your understanding. Today I found a book जो कि horizontal ना हो, vertical हो, ताकि नीचे करना is आसान और हमारा time कम से कम इसमें लगे. So this book is much better because it's easy to scroll down. Now I'm moving forward towards the act number 2. ठीक है, और वहां से हमने स्टार्ट करना है. आज I will not be reading, you will be reading, and you guys are going to tell me कि आपको क्या समझ आ रही है और क्या नहीं. Okay, act 2, where is it? Did I miss it? Let me see.
Ma'am, I think Act 2 started from page 40, if I'm not wrong.
Okay, हो सकता है. Let me see. Yes, I did miss it somewhere. Okay, there is another way to find it. There's no act 2. Come on. इस बुक में है ही नहीं. चलें फिर वही बुक खोल लेते हैं, कोई बात नहीं. Yes, I think it's just Act 1 in this one. Let me open the one that we were using yesterday. Meanwhile, I can see 20 participants. So 20 more to go. 20 लोग अभी भी missing हैं. किधर हैं सब? Any idea? Internet issues हैं जो दिल नहीं कर
Yes,
रहा.
ma'am. इंटरनेट इश्यूज है मैम. पिछले क्लास प्रीवियस क्लास में भी यही हुआ था. वो ज्वाइन कर रहे थे और लीव कर रहे थे, ज्वाइन कर रहे थे, लीव कर रहे थे.
Right, right. Okay. So Act 2. अच्छा, Act 1 का एक quick recap कौन देना चाहेगा? Who would like to tell us what happened in Act 1? हम्म किसी ने नहीं सुना?
यस मैम.
नहीं सुना, ये कह रही हैं आप?
नो 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 मैम, मैं कह रही हूँ मैंने सुना था.
हाँ ठीक है, बताएं फिर क्या हुआ Act 1 में. ऑफ कोर्स इतना मुश्किल नहीं है, थोड़ी सी ही बात है. सो इफ यू वुड लाइक टू रिपीट इट, गो अहेड एंड टेल अस.
Ma'am, Act 1 start with introduction of two characters, Estragon and Valdemir. They are thinking about suicide
हम्म
and they are actually try to entertain.
हम्म
Okay, and then there is a lot of symbolism
हम्म
and there is a lot of the theme of absurd part that they declare they leave but they don't show any movement in Act 1. There is this scene that they act like they are moving but they don't move.
हम्म
This means that this show the absurd part of the play.
हम्म
After that, there is a symbol of tree. where there are no trees in act where there are no leaves in act 1, which is also the symbolism part in this act. After that, there are broken sentences, and that show the coherent cohesion in a modern drama.
Hmm.
After that, there is an introduction of Lucky and Pozo,
Hmm.
and the previous two characters, Estragon and Valdemir, ask from them that they are a godot, but they denied.
Hmm.
I think that after that there is a repetition that nothing to be done, nothing. There is a symbol of nothingness. There is a symbol of nostalgia that they said we should have thought about 90s. That
Hmm.
they are thinking about the industrialization, the urbanization, and the development era.
Hmm.
And then there is also a part that show that there is the theme of reality versus illusion. That they pretend to be happy, but they are not.
Good. That's good. Okay, so आज कौन क्या बनेगा? Who would like to read? As you know, we have to read it, and I would love to see कि आज हमारे पास जो Act 2 है वो किसी तरह complete हो जाए, तो that will be good. Let me attach it to screen. Otherwise, you can open it on your computer or your mobile, whatever you're using. ठीक है, उससे ये होगा कि अगर यहाँ पे कोई delay है भी तो you can definitely follow. ओके जी, हु वुड लाइक टू बी? इसमें हमारे पास वही वही करेक्टर्स हैं जी। अब्दुल्ला, कौन सा
Ma'am,
करेक्टर आप?
I'll go with Astrogon as well. The same
एस्ट्रोगॉन, ठीक
reason.
है। गुलशेर, आप क्या बनेंगे?
Vulamdir.
मलमदीर, ठीक है। और वरीशा, यू वुड लाइक टू बी? कौन सा करेक्टर बनेंगी वो बताएं।
Pozo, if
ओके,
there is
ठीक
a
है।
character.
ऑफ कोर्स उसकी लाइंस आएंगी, डेफिनेटली आएंगी। ठीक है, सो वी हैव एक्ट 2, सीन 1। Next day, same time, same place, Estragon's boots, front center, heels together, toes splayed. Lucky's hat at the same place. The tree has 4 or 5 leaves. Enter Vladimir. Agitatedly, he halts and looks long at the tree, then suddenly begins to move feverishly about the stage. He halts before the boots, picks one and examines it, sniffs it, manifests disgust, puts it back carefully, comes and goes. Halts extreme right and gazes into distance off, shading his eyes with his hands. Comes and goes. Halts extremes left, as before. Comes and goes. Halts suddenly. So वही जो एक chaos वो create करते हैं characters, वो यहाँ पर हो रहा है. Then a dog came in. Having begun too high, he stops, clears his throats, and resumes. A dog came in the kitchen and stole a crust of bread. ये song गा रहा है. It's not actually the dog that came into the scene. He is actually singing it. अगर आपको याद हो, मैंने आपको ये उसमें वीडियो में दिखाया भी था कि वो स्माइल करते हुए वो एक सॉन्ग सा यहाँ पे गाता है, एंड ही स्टॉप्स, ब्रूड्स एंड रिज्यूम्स। तो वो याद करने की कोशिश कर रहा है कि यहाँ पर क्या होता है। एंड he remains uh, a moment silent and motionless, then begins to move feverishly about the stage. He halts before the tree and goes, and before the booths comes back again and again, gazes गेज करता है वो डिस्टेंस में, ऊपर देख रहा है और दूर देख रहा है, मतलब as if it's waiting, he's waiting for somebody, और देखी जा रहा है, देखी जा रहा है. So finally enter Estragon's right, barefoot, head bowed. He slowly crosses the stage. Vladimir runs and sees him. जी.
You again? Come here till I embrace you.
Don't touch me.
Do you want me to go away? Kogo, did they beat you? Where did you spend the night?
Don't touch me. Don't question me. Don't speak to me. Stay with me.
Did I ever leave you?
You let me go.
Look at me. Will you look at me?
What are they?
Okay, Estragon raises his head. They look long at each other, then suddenly embrace and clapping at each other. On the back end of the embrace, Estragon no longer supported almost falls.
What a day.
Who beat you? Tell me.
Another day done with.
Not yet.
For me, it's over and done with. No matter what happens, I heard you singing.
That's right. I remember.
That finished me. I said to myself, he's all alone. He thinks I'm gone forever, and he sings.
I miss you. And at the same time, I was happy. Is that a starting?
Happy?
Perhaps it's not quite the right word.
And now?
Now, there you are again. There we are again. There I am again.
You see, you feel worse when I'm with you. I feel better alone too.
Then why do you always come crawling back?
I don't know.
No, but I do. It's because you don't know how to defend yourself. I wouldn't leave them beat you.
You couldn't have stopped them.
Why not?
There was 10 of them.
No. I mean, before they beat you, I would have stopped from doing whatever it was you were doing.
I wasn't doing anything.
Then why did you beat you? Why
I,
did they beat you?
I don't know.
Oh no, go. What is there that escape you
Okay,
that don't
Gulsher,
escape me?
Mr. Gulsher, your voice is cutting a lot. It's coming from an echo and it's not clear, so I will have to take over. I understand internet is an issue today for most of us. I hope I am audible without a glitch to everybody so that we can follow. So I'll be taking over Vladimir over here. Ah no, Gogo, the truth is there. Are things that escape you that do not escape me. You must feel it yourself.
I tell you, I wasn't doing anything.
Perhaps you weren't, but it's the way of doing it that counts, the way of doing it if you want to go on living.
I wasn't doing anything.
You must be happy to, deep down, if you only knew it,
Happy about what?
to be back with me again.
Why you say so?
Say you are, even it is not true.
What am I to say?
Say I'm happy.
I'm happy.
So am I.
So am I.
We are happy.
We are happy. What do we do now? Now that
Waiting,
we are happy?
wait for Godot. And silence आता है, ठीक है? Then we have scene number 2. Things have changed here since yesterday.
Everything oozes.
The tree, look at the tree.
Was it not there yesterday?
Yes, of course it was there. Do you not remember? We nearly hanged ourselves from it, but you wouldn't. Do you not remember?
You dreamt it.
Is it possible you have forgotten already?
That's the way I am. Either I forget immediately or I never forget.
And Pozo and Lucky, have you forgotten them too?
Bozo and Lucky?
He's forgotten everything.
I remember a lunatic who kicked the shins off me, then he played the fool.
That was Lucky.
I remember that, but when was it?
And his keeper, do you not remember him?
He gave me a bone.
That was Pozzo.
And all that was yesterday, you say?
Yes, of course it was yesterday.
And here where we are now?
Where else do you think? Do you not recognize the place?
Recognize? What is there to recognize? All my lousy life I've crawled about in the mud, and you talk to me about scenery?
Again, an image where He considers himself to be less than the rest of the world, a class system, a forgotten system. The tramps, they are not having their way in the life and the society, and they believe that they are at the margins and they are the pieces of dust that should be forgotten. Then Vladimir says, "You're a hard man to get on with, Gogo.
It would be better if we parted.
You always say that and you always come crawling back." आपने देखा अभी कुछ देर पहले यही सेंटेंस यही फ्रेज भी इस्तेमाल हुआ था that you always come crawling back. So repetition एक ridiculous level तक repetition आपको नजर आएगी जी.
The best thing would be to kill me, like
Okay,
the other.
बेटे यहाँ मेरी साइड पे अजान हो रही है तो we'll take a break of 2 minutes and then we continue.
Sure.
Okay, so let's continue.
Mm. The best thing would be to kill me, like the other,
What other? What other?
like billions of others.
To every man his little cross he sighs till he dies, as and is forgotten. So this is a reference to the wars, death, and destruction, the civilizations that have passed, and how it has impacted and brought them to this point where they are so hopeless, so pointless, so aimless, and they feel as if there's nothing to be done and there's nothing waiting for them. So ये जो lines हैं इसमें बहुत कुछ आपको मिलता है. You will be given an assignment जहाँ पर आपको इसी तरह का एक काम करना है. Please remind me in the last 10 minutes कि मैंने आपको वो असाइन करनी है और समझानी है. Anyway, further if we go. Mhm.
In the meantime, let us try and converse calmly, since we are incapable of keeping silent.
Now this is a pun intended. This is ironic. They can keep silent and most of the time they are silent. ठीक है बहुत सारे long pauses and silences आते हैं. You are right. We are inexhaustible.
It's so we won't think.
We have that excuse.
It's so we won't hear
We have our reasons.
all the dead voices.
Now this conversation between the two, we won't think, we won't hear all dead voices, and then Vladimir says we have that excuse कि हम नहीं सोचेंगे, we have our reasons कि हम नहीं सुनेंगे, and everybody is dead and all voices are dead. उसका भी Vladimir आगे से कहता है they make a noise like wings,
Like leaves,
like sand.
like leaves.
So कह रहे हैं कि ना हम सुनेंगे, ना देखेंगे, ना समझेंगे, ना सोचेंगे. Then there is a silence. What do they say?
They talk about their lives.
To have lived is not enough for them.
They have to talk about it.
To be dead is not enough for them.
It is not sufficient.
Now this is important. Sometimes when I read this conversation, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये उन लोगों के लिए जो लिटरेचर पढ़ते हैं, डेड लोगों के बारे में पढ़ते हैं और उसी के बारे में बात करते चले जाते हैं. Because it's not and it's never enough for them and they have to talk about it. But यहाँ पर इसका जो meaning associated है, it is different as you already know existential crisis की बात हो रही है, absurdity की बात हो रही है, hopelessness की, rootlessness की, meaninglessness की बात हो रही है, nihilism nihilistic point of view की बात हो रही है. Then there is a silence. They make a noise like feathers,
Like leaves,
like ashes.
like leaves.
Then there is a long silence and scene 4 starts. And Vladimir says, say something.
I'm trying.
Say anything at all.
What do we do now?
Wait for Godot.
Ah,
Then there is a silence. That is awful.
sing something.
No. We could start all over again, perhaps.
That should be easy.
It is the start that is difficult.
You can start from anything.
But yes, but you have to decide.
True.
Then there is a silence. यानी decision करने का किसी point पे जाने का फायदा ही नहीं है. They don't find anything fruitful. Help me.
I'm trying.
Well,
Well,
अच्छा ये आपका है. Sorry. What was I saying? We could go on from there.
what were you saying when?
At the very beginning.
At the very beginning of what?
This evening I was saying,
I'm not a historian.
wait, we embraced. We were happy. Happy. What do we do now that we are happy? Go on waiting? Waiting? Let me think. It's coming. Go on waiting now that we are happy. Let me see. Oh, that tree.
The tree?
देखिए इस वेलाडिमीर के इस सेंटेंस में इस डायलॉग में कितनी इनकोहेरेंस है कितनी confusion and vagueness here for the waiting. Waiting itself can get you an essay type question on it. Maybe there could be a question where the paper asks, the question asks that mention or comment on the concept of wait in the drama called Waiting for Godot, written by Samuel Beckett. So you will have to talk about that waiting has been represented by these two characters in various manners और कुछ lines आपको definitely लिखनी पड़ेंगी. Then
The tree?
Do you not remember?
I'm tired.
Look at it. They
I see
look at the
nothing.
tree. Both of them, they are looking at the tree in a fun, बड़ा funny manner में देखते हैं वो.
I see nothing.
But yesterday evening, it was all black and bare, and now it is covered with leaves.
It must be the spring.
But in a single night?
I tell you, we weren't here yesterday. Another one of your nightmares.
Try and remember.
Do I suppose we blathered?
About what?
Oh, this and that, I suppose. Nothing in particular. Yes, now I remember. Yesterday evening, we spent blathering about nothing in particular. That's been going on now for half a century.
You don't remember any fact, any circumstance.
Don't torment me, Didi.
The sun, the moon, do you not remember?
They must have been there as usual.
You did not notice anything out of the ordinary?
Alas.
Pozzo and Lucky?
What so?
The bones?
They were like fish bones.
And the kick?
That's right. Someone gave me a kick.
It was Lucky gave it to you.
And all that was yesterday?
Show me your leg. Pull up your trousers.
I can't.
The other pig. There's the wound beginning to fester.
And what about it?
Again, silence है और कोई clarity नहीं दी गई. And then we have a scene number 5. Where are your bones?
I must have thrown them away.
When?
I don't know.
Why?
Because they were hurting me.
There they are, at the very spot where you left them yesterday.
Astragon goes towards the boots, inspects them closely. They are not mine.
Not yours?
Mine were black. These are brown.
Show me.
Well, they're a kind of green.
Show me. Estragon hands him the boot. Vladimir inspects it and throws it down angrily. It's elementary. Someone came and took yours and left you his.
Why?
His were too tight for him, so he took yours.
But mine were too tight.
For you, not for him.
I'm tired.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Sorry, this is your line. We can't.
Why not?
We are waiting for Godot.
Uh, what will we do? What will we do?
There's nothing we can do.
But I can't go on like this.
Would you like a radish? Vladimir fumbles in his pockets, finds nothing but turnips, finally brings out a radish and hands it to Estragon, who examines it, sniffs it.
It's black.
It's a radish.
It's only like the pink ones, you know that.
Then give it back to me.
I'll go and get a carrot. It does not move.
This is becoming really insignificant.
Not enough.
What about trying them?
Would that be a good thing?
It would pass the time. I assure you it would be an occupation. Try.
You'll help me?
I will, of course.
We don't manage too badly, Didi, between the two of us.
Yes, come on, we'll try the left first.
We always find something, Didi, to give us the impression we exist.
Yes, we are magicians. Come on, give me your foot. The other hog, higher. Try and walk. Well,
It fits.
we'll try and lace it.
No laces, no laces.
You'll be sorry. Let us try the other. Well,
It fits too.
then you'll keep them.
That's enough about these boots?
Yes, but
Enough. I suppose I might as well sit down.
he looks for a place to sit down, then goes and sits down on the mound. Then there's scene 6. That is where you were sitting yesterday evening.
If I could only sleep.
Yesterday you slept.
I'll try.
Wait. Bye.
Not so loud.
Bye.
Ah,
अच्छा, इससे पहले Estragon sleeps. Vladimir gets up softly, takes off his coat and lays it across the Estragon's shoulders, then starts walking. तो ये जो आपको नरेशंस ऑब्जर्वेशंस नजर आती हैं स्टेज सेटिंग का हिस्सा है। तो अगर आपके पास क्वेश्चन आता है दैट द ड्रामा इज एन avant-garde प्ले एंड ऑस्ट्रेच सेटिंग्स हैव टू बी डिस्कस्ड, तो ये जो डिस्क्रिप्शंस है इसमें से आपको कुछ ना कुछ कोट करनी पड़ेंगी। देन वेलोडिमिर सेज देयर इट्स ऑल ओवर।
I was falling.
It was all over. It is all over.
I was on top of a.
Don't tell me. Come, we'll walk it off. Didi is here. Don't be afraid.
Takes Estragon by the arm and walks him up and down until Estragon refuses to go any further. That's enough. I'm tired. Let's go.
We can't.
Why not?
We are waiting for Gordo.
Ah. Can you not stay still?
I'm cold.
We came too soon.
It is always nightfall.
But night doesn't fall.
It will fall all of a sudden like yesterday,
Then it'll be night.
and we can go.
Then it'll be day again.
Then scene 7 starts.
What will we do? What will we do?
Lucky's hat. He goes towards it. I knew it was the right place. Now troubles are over. He picks it up and contemplates it, straightens it. Must have been a very fine hat. He puts it on in a place of his own, which he hands to Estragon. Here,
What?
hold that. फिर
Estragon takes.
ये अपनी एक दूसरे की जो क्या कहते हैं इसको, कैप्स हैं, हैट्स हैं, इनको एक्सचेंज करते हैं। ये आप सीन में देखेंगे तो ज्यादा बेहतर समझ आएगी। देन वेलोडिमिर, how do I look in it?
Hideous.
Yes, but not more than usual.
Neither more nor less.
Then I can keep it.
I'm going.
Then there is a silence. We could play at Pozzo and Lucky. Go on,
What am I to do?
curse me.
Naughty.
Stronger.
Gonna cook us spyro shit.
Say, think, pig.
Think, pig.
So they are role playing. They are so bored कि वो Pozzo and Lucky जो आपस में बात कर रहे थे, जिस तरह की language use कर रहे थे, they are using those. Then there is a silence. I can't.
That's enough of that.
Tell me to dance.
I'm going.
Dance, hog. I can't. Go. There you are again at last.
They're coming.
Who?
I don't know.
It's Godo at last. Gogo, it's Godo. We are saved. Let us go and meet him. Gogo, come back. There you are again. Again.
I'm in hell.
Where were you?
They're coming there too.
We are surrounded. Imbecile. There is no way out there. There, not a soul in sight. Off. You go. You won't? Well, I can understand that. Wait till I see you. Your only hope left is to disappear.
Where?
Behind the tree. Quick, behind the tree. Decidedly, this tree will not have been the slightest use to us.
I lost my head. Forgive me. It won't happen again. Tell me what to do.
There's nothing to do.
You go and stand there. There. Don't move. And watch out. Back to back like in the good old days. Do you see anything coming?
What?
Do you see anything coming?
No.
Nor I.
Do you? दोनों
Carry
इकट्ठे
on.
मुड़ते हैं simultaneously.
Carry on.
No, after you.
No, first you.
Moron.
That's the idea. Let's abuse each other.
Moron.
Vermin.
Abortion.
Curate.
Cretin.
Critic.
Oh.
Now let's make it up.
Go.
DD.
अब ये पूरी कॉन्वर्सेशन में अब्यूजेस थी और फिर अपने नेम्स लेने की कोशिश। नाउ लेट्स मेक इट अप। ना वो अपने नेम्स को, अपने पेट नेम्स को या जो उन्होंने बना रखे हैं उनको भी अब्यूजेस में कहीं ना कहीं एम्ब्रेस कर रहे हैं और एम्बेड कर रहे हैं। दे एम्ब्रेस, दे सेपरेट, एंड देन देयर इज अ साइलेंस। हाउ टाइम फ्लाइज व्हेन वन हैज फन। देन अगेन फॉर देम दिस वाज somehow fun, and then there is silence. Then scene 8 starts and Pozzo and Lucky have entered. Now Pozzo is blind, Lucky burdened as before, rope as before, but much shorter so that Pozzo may follow more easily, Lucky wearing a different hat. At the sight of Vladimir and Estragon, he stops short. Pozzo, continuing on his way, bumps into him, and then Pozzo says, Pozzo का करेक्टर कौन है?
मैं हूँ।
जी जी।
What is it? Who is it?
Is it Gordo?
At last.
Is it Gordo?
We are no longer alone, waiting for night, waiting for Gordo, waiting. All evening we have struggled unassisted. Now it is over. It is already tomorrow. But there is one thing that I'm afraid of.
Help.
What?
That Lucky might get going all of a sudden, then we would be balsocked.
Lucky?
For the moment he's inert, but he might run amok any minute.
Help.
The best would be to take advantage of Pozzo calling for help.
And suppose he...
Let us not waste our time in idle discourse. Then there is a pause. What are we doing here? That is the question. And we are blessed in this that we happen to know the answer. Yes. In this immense confusion, one thing alone is clear. We are waiting for Gordo to come.
Ah,
Help. I'll pay you.
how much?
ये पेमेंट कर दे Pozzo. Oh. Okay, 100 Francis.
It's not enough.
I wouldn't go so far as that.
200.
We are coming.
What's the matter with you all?
Help.
I'm going.
Help me up first, then we'll go together.
Who farted?
Pozzo.
Here, pity.
It's revolting.
Pull.
Sweet Mother Earth.
Can you get up?
I don't know.
Try.
Pity.
What is it?
It is this bastard Pozzo at it again.
Make him stop it. Kick him in the crotch.
Will you stop it? Crabulaus. He's off. He's down, Pozzo. Pozzo, no reply.
Are you sure his name is Pozzo?
Pozzo, come back. We won't hurt you.
We might try other names. It is past the time, and we would be bound to hit on the right one sooner or later.
I tell you his name is Pozzo.
We'll see. We'll soon see. Abel?
Help.
Got it in one.
I begin to weary of this motif.
Perhaps the other is called Cain. Cain!
Help.
It's all humanity. Let's pass on to something else. Do you mind? Suppose we got up to begin with?
No harm trying.
Help.
Let's go.
We can't.
Why not?
We are waiting for Gordo.
Ah, what will we do?
Help.
We must hold him. Feeling better?
Who are you?
Do you not recognize us?
I'm blind.
Perhaps he can see into the future.
Since when?
I used to have wonderful sight, but you are friends. But are you friends?
He wants to know if we are friends.
No, he means friends of his.
Well,
We have proved we are by helping him.
You are not highwayman.
highwaymen? Do we look like highwaymen?
Damn it. Can't you see? The man is blind.
Damn it. So he is. So he
What
says.
time is it?
7 o'clock, 8 o'clock.
How much longer are we to cart him around? We are not caryatides.
You were saying your sight used to be good, if I heard you right,
Wonderful.
and it came on you all of a sudden?
I woke up one fine day as blind as fortune.
And when was that? But no later than yesterday.
Don't question me. The blind have no notion of time.
I'm going.
Where is my manual?
He's about somewhere.
Go and see if he's hurt.
You go.
After what he did to me? Never.
Yes, yes, let your friend go. He stinks so. What is this waiting for? What is he waiting for?
What are we waiting for? What are you waiting for?
I'm waiting for Godo.
Make sure he's alive before you start. No point in exerting yourself. If he's dead,
He's breathing.
then let him have it.
Oh, the brute.
What's gone wrong now?
My friend has hurt himself. We met yesterday. Do you not remember?
I don't remember having met anyone yesterday.
But
Enough. Up, pick. Wipe.
before you go to tell him to sing,
To sing.
yes, or to think,
But he's dumb.
dumb, since when?
Have you not done tormenting me with your accused time? It is abnormal when. One day is that not enough for you? One day he went dumb, one day I went blind. One day we will go deaf, one day we were born, one day we shall die. The same day, the same second, is that not enough for you? They give birth a stripe to a grave, the light gleam an instant, then it's night once more on.
Then we have scene 9. Vladimir goes towards Estragon, contemplates him a moment, then shakes him awake.
Why will you never let me sleep?
I felt lonely.
I was dreaming. I was happy.
Don't tell me.
Let's go. We can't. Ah, my feet. Help me.
Tomorrow when I wake or think I do, what shall I say of today? That with Estragon, my friend, and this place until he fall of night, I waited for Godo. That Pozzo passed with his carrier and then he spoke to us probably. But in all that, what truth will there be? He'll know nothing. He'll tell me about the blows he received and then I'll give him a carrot. Astride of a grave and difficult birth, I can't go on. What have I said? Then we have a
Mr.
boy.
Mr. Albert.
Off we go again. Do you not recognize me?
No, sir.
It wasn't you came yesterday.
No, sir.
You have a message from Mr. Godo.
Yes, sir.
He won't come this evening,
No, sir.
but he'll come tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
What does he do, Mr. Godo?
He does nothing, sir.
Has he a beard, Mr. Godo?
Yes, sir.
Fair or black?
I think it's white, sir.
Christ have mercy on us.
What am I to tell Mr. Gorod, sir?
Tell him that you saw me. You are sure you saw me. You won't come and tell me tomorrow that you never saw me. Then we have scene 10, and again there is a discussion.
Let's go far away from here.
We can't.
Why not?
We have to come back tomorrow
What for?
to wait for Godo.
Ah,
Everything is dead but the tree.
what is it?
I don't know, a willow.
Why don't we hang ourselves?
With what?
You haven't got a bit of rope?
No.
Wait, there's my belt.
Show me. It might do in a pinch, but is it strong enough?
We'll soon see. Here. Didi,
Yes.
I can't go on like this.
We'll hang ourselves tomorrow unless Godo comes.
And if he comes,
We'll be saved.
well, shall we go?
Pull on your trousers.
What?
Pull on your trousers.
You want me to pull off my trousers?
Pull on your trousers.
True.
Well, shall we go?
Yes, let's go.
And they do not move, and then there is curtain. So this is your play which has ended. Of course, you must have fe mixed feelings about it, and the way we have read it is not the way it is supposed to be read. The best way it is supposed to be read has been shared with you in a performance earlier. उसको सुनेंगे तो आपको lines भी याद रहेंगी. ठीक है, अब ऐसा करते हैं कि 5 मिनट की ब्रेक है. उसके बाद आई विल टेल यू के व्हाट टू डू एंड असाइनमेंट में क्या है. लेट मी फॉर्मुलेट अ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू, राइट? आई एम हियर, आई एम कनेक्टेड, बट आई विल बी म्यूट फॉर 5 minutes. Okay, I'll be assigning you um, mini presentations from this handout, but let's talk about this critical analysis act-wise. Mini presentations जो होती हैं, they are not that formal जो आप usually classes में देते होंगे 10-10 15-15 मिनट की. इसमें बहुत सारे sections है. इस reading का नाम है block 3. क्लास रीडिंग्स के सेक्शन में ये मैंने पोस्ट की हुई है. तो इसमें मैं आपको एक डॉक्यूमेंट भेजूंगी जिसमें लिखा होगा कि कौन से स्टूडेंट ने क्या हमें बताना और कैसे. अभी राइट नाउ वी कैन टॉक अबाउट, एंड दीज presentations will not be taking place next week. It will be later on, but I will be assigning you these presentations earlier because I remember I gave you a presentation before mids, पर मैंने उसको execute नहीं किया because of the time constraint. वो हुआ नहीं तो उसको मैंने cancel कर दिया था. तो इस वजह से अब हम इसको करेंगे और ये ऑन कैंपस ही होंगी इंशाल्लाह. So let's talk about the critical analysis. I remember on the very first day we started reading from here, and it was quite difficult for us to grasp the idea कि हाँ critical analysis में क्या बात हो रही है. But now for a fact we know what is happening in the entire drama. It might make more sense. तो ये जो critical analysis Act 1 and Act 2 है, ये आप खुद भी पढ़ेंगे. मैं आपको थोड़ा बहुत बता देती हूँ कि इसमें कैसे लिखा हुआ है. ये पहला 2-3 पेजेस तो हमने वैसे भी डिस्कस किए थे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, the play starts with the reunion of two tramps, Vladimir and Estragon. You can notice that in Act 1, Vladimir says, I am glad to see you back together again at last, page 9 per. And the use of word again can be shown is there in Act 2 on page 58. So इस तरह से इसमें एक critical analysis हो रखा है कि repetition का क्या मतलब है और how does it help you to come to a conclusion. There is a lot of exaggerated physical action in the play which provokes laughter. अब आपने अगर प्रूफ करना है ना कि it's a tragic comedy, तो tragedy तो आप definitely इसमें से पिक कर पा रहे होंगे. आपने इसमें कॉमेडी ढूंढनी है तो वो आपने बताना है कि किस तरह से है. नोट हाउ एस्ट्रोगॉन पुल्स अप हिज बूट्स विद बोथ हैंड्स पैंटिंग एंड एग्जॉस्टेड. और शुरुआत का एक सीन नहीं है जिसमें अपना बूट पकड़ के दोनों हाथों से लगा होता है एंड ही इज नॉट एबल टू डू सो. सो वो एग्जैजरेशन ऑफ फिजिकल एक्शन क्रिएट्स लाफ्टर, जो कि इसे कॉमेडी भी बनाती है. ट्रैजिक कॉमेडी ये कैसे बनती है, इन एक्शंस से पता चलेगा. जैसे पोत्सो एंड लकी जब एंटर करते हैं तो वो इतना परेशान हो जाते हैं कि दोनों एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ के स्टेज से एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट पे जाते हैं, फिर दोनों दूसरे पॉइंट पे जाते हैं, बार बार आगे जाते हैं, बार बार पीछे जाते हैं. सो इस तरह के जो एक्शंस हैं, दे आर क्रिएटिंग द लाफ्टर इन द एंटायर ड्रामा. Beckett believes that the first words should introduce the theme of the play, and the opening words of Godot, nothing to be done, do precisely that. अगर आपने thematic analysis करना है गॉडो का, existentialism की ही बात करनी है, तो nothing to be done is the opening. And Beckett believes, इसका criticism भी है, that the first word should be able to talk about this subject matter, and that is exactly what happens in the play as well. These words will echo again and again during the course of the play. In line with exaggerated action, we also observe Vladimir moves with short, stiff strides and legs apart as he suffers from enlargement of the prostrate gland, a complaint common in old age. His gait reminds us of the king of comedy, Charlie Chaplin. ये शायद मुझे याद आ रहा है, मैंने आपको क्लास में बताया है. सो इस तरह से आप रेफरेंसेस ऐड कर सकते हैं अपने एनालिसिस में. During their meeting, the two tramps embrace each other whenever they meet and go through the same motions of greeting. That also creates a comic relief, a comic touch to it. So इसी तरह से इसमें ये पूरा analysis लिखा हुआ है जो आप पढ़ सकते हैं. तो ये आपने खुद पढ़ना है और कुछ ना समझ आए तो बेटे नेक्स्ट क्लास में you can definitely discuss it with me or your classmates. या आपसे पूछ ही लूंगी कि आपको समझ आया कि नहीं. ठीक है, उसके बाद आपके पास वेटिंग फॉर गॉडो में थीम्स एंड करेक्टराइजेशन आ जाते हैं. करेक्टराइजेशन इज इम्पोर्टेंट एंड डेफिनेटली इसमें आपके पास क्रिटिकल एनालिसिस ऑफ एक्ट 2 भी यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है ना. ब्रीफ कमेंट्स एंड इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स टू पॉन्डर ओवर इन एक्ट 2. अब यहाँ पे कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं. इन क्वेश्चंस के अगर आप आंसर दे लेंगे तो एग्जाम भी आप कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन द फर्स्ट एक्ट we found Estragon and Vladimir waiting for the elusive Godot. Do you think the two tramps would be waiting for Godot as expectantly as they did in the first act? You would recall that in the first act, the true tramps do not state exactly what they expect Godot to do for them. Can you make a guess about their expectations? Although इस तरह के open question exam में तो ना आए, लेकिन quiz में और आपकी presentation में पूछे जा सकते हैं for clarity. So you should be able to answer these questions. आप पढ़ेंगे तो आपको समझ आ जाएंगे. Do they expect him to improve their life in a specific manner? Is there any indication about in the play? Of course there isn't. बट वो बार बार ये जरूर बोलते हैं कि वी विल बी सेव्ड. तो आपने इंटरप्रेट करना है ऑन योर ओन अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि आपको क्या समझ आती है. सो इस तरह के कुछ पॉइंटर्स यहाँ पर दिए हुए, वो आपको हेल्प करते हैं इस पूरे प्ले को प्रिपेयर करने में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लुक एट दिस वन. इज देयर एनी फाइनलिटी एट द एंड्स ऑफ द टू एक्ट्स? व्हाई और व्हाई नॉट? तो इस तरह से भी आपको इसको पॉसिबल इंटरप्रिटेशन आपने इसकी खुद गैदर कर लेनी है जितना आप पढ़ते जाएंगे. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे ग्लॉसरी में म्यूजिक हॉल के बारे में लिखा हुआ है, द मिथ ऑफ सिस्पियस लिखा हुआ है, एग्जिस्टेंशियलिज्म के बारे में लिखा हुआ है, कुछ राइटर्स के बारे में लिखा हुआ है, जो कि मिस्टर एल्बर्ट का बार बार आप रेफरेंस सुनते हैं, तो उसके बारे में लिखा हुआ है। ये रीडिंग आपने पढ़कर आनी है ताकि आपको क्लैरिटी आ जाए। उसके बाद हमारे पास स्टाइल है। स्टाइल हमने पहले शुरुआत में ही बात कर ली है कि ट्रैजिक कॉमेडी है, absurded है, एग्जिस्टेंशलिज्म है, थिएटर ऑफ absurd है। उसके बाद हमारे पास एस्ट्रगॉन एंड वेलोडिमीर एज एग्जिस्टेंशियल कैरेक्टर्स हैं। तो ये आप इस रीडिंग को पढ़ेंगे तो डेफिनेटली आपको कुछ ना कुछ समझ। जी वरीशा पूछें।
मैम, जिस तरह हमें पता है कि एब्सर्डिटी इज द मेन थीम ऑफ द प्ले ना,
हम्म
आफ्टर द पर्पसलेस एग्जिस्टेंशियल क्राइसिस, हम इसमें ये चीज भी ऐड कर सकते हैं विद रेफरेंस ऑफ द टू एक्ट्स, that the two acts without any conclusion in an
हम्म
absurd moment. As an audience, we don't understand that what is the next step and what is the step that take place at the end of the play.
ऐसा ही है, ऐसा ही है। अब इस सेक्शन में यही मैं आपको बताने लगी थी कि गोडो एज अ ट्रेजिक कॉमेडी, यहाँ पर एक एनालिसिस लिखा हुआ है। इट्स नॉट सफिशिएंट बट इट गिव्स यू पॉइंटर्स कि इसके बाद आप इसमें क्या कुछ ऐड कर सकते हैं। ट्रैजिक, कॉमिक, absurd एंड गॉडो। सो वो वहां पर बताता है कि ट्रैजिक एंड कॉमिक एलिमेंट्स किस तरह से हैं और वो किस तरह से अमेलगम होकर वो थिएटर ऑफ absurd को हाईलाइट करते हैं। ठीक है, गॉडो एंड द थिएटर ऑफ absurd। व्हाट डू वी मीन बाय absurd? तो ये सारे आंसर्स जो भी, अगर कोई कंफ्यूजन या वेगनेस आपके माइंड में है, यहाँ पर उसके आंसर्स दिए गए हैं ताकि आप आंसर कर सके। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट डू द obsessed deal with? So they deal with the purposelessness of life and human existence, which they find out of harmony with its surroundings. So यहाँ पर कुछ myths का रेफरेंस है, वो भी आपने पढ़कर आना है। पढ़ लेंगे कि डू यू वांट मी टू रीड इट इन द क्लास लाइक दिस?
मैम, हम पढ़
मैम
लेंगे,
पढ़
आप
लेंगे।
बता दीजिए।
ठीक है। उसके बाद गॉडो एज एन एग्जिस्टेंशियल प्ले भी यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है। वो एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है कि एग्जिस्टेंशियलिज्म क्या है और गॉडो में कौन से पॉइंटर्स आपको हेल्प करते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन वेटिंग फॉर गॉडो, द नॉन एक्शन ऑफ फ्यूटाइल वेटिंग बाय द टू ट्रैम्प्स इज enacted twice. In the play, we are not told who Godot is and what the two characters really expect him to do. तो यहाँ से हमें पता चलता चला जाता है कि किस तरह का absurd टच है इसमें, और आप देख सकते हैं। एंड देन एस्ट्रागॉन एंड वेलोडिमीर एज एग्जिस्टेंशलिस्ट करेक्टर्स, तो उसका भी आपको पता होना चाहिए। देन स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ गॉडो। अब यहाँ पर वो जो क्वेश्चन शुरू में भी मैंने शायद आपको बताया था कि सिमेट्रिकल है और एसिमेट्रिकल है, तो वो जो सारे पॉइंटर्स उन्होंने शुरुआत में चैप्टर के दिए थे, उनके आंसर्स आपको यहाँ दिए हुए हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द फॉलोइंग टेबल विल फर्दर इलिस्ट्रेट द एसिमेट्रिकल नेचर ऑफ प्ले स्ट्रक्चर in Act 1, in Act 2. Estragon accepts a carrot. Estragon rejects a radish, takes off his shoes, finds his boots too big, nibbles a chicken bone, recalls it as a fish bone. Estragon rejects suicide, defends suicide for want of a suitable rope. Tree, bear, has sprouted 4 5 leaves. Lucky is Pozzo's slave. Symbolically, Pozzo is a slave to Lucky. क्योंकि सेकेंड एक्ट में वो अंधा हो जाता है एंड नाउ ही हैज टू डिपेंड ऑन लकी फॉर इट। बॉय अराइव्स, बॉय डिनाइज दैट ही इज द सेम बॉय हु केम। सो इससे आपको पता चल जाता है कि ये एसिमेट्रिकल है नेचर में। अब अगर एक क्वेश्चन है दैट वेटिंग फॉर गॉडो इज एन एसिमेट्रिकल प्ले इन नेचर एंड स्ट्रक्चर, कमेंट, तो आप यही सारे पॉइंट्स को विद टेक्सचुअल रेफरेंसेस आगे एक्सपैंड करेंगे तो आपका आंसर बहुत अच्छा और बहुत क्लैरिटी के साथ पुट अक्रॉस हो सकता है। ठीक है जी, बाकी आप देख लीजिएगा। हर चैप्टर के बाद आप देख रहे हैं कुछ कॉम्प्रिहेंशन क्वेश्चंस भी हैं, तो वो भी आपको बहुत अच्छा प्रिपेयर करवा देते हैं इसके लिए। आगे कोई और राइटर है उसको आप रहने दें। सो व्हाट आई हैव डिसाइडेड कि आपको एक मिनी प्रेजेंटेशंस देंगे, लेकिन नेक्स्ट वीक के लिए नहीं, उसके बाद, तो इसलिए थोड़ा सा टाइम चाहिए टू डिसाइड कि आपको एग्जैक्टली क्या देना है। हाउएवर, इन ट्यूसडेज क्लास, हम ट्यूसडेज को भी मिलते हैं ना, मंडे की क्लास में नहीं, ट्यूसडे की क्लास में इस हैंडआउट में से और टेक्स्ट ऑफ द ड्रामा में से एक क्विज होगा, वो आपने प्रिपेयर करके आना है। कर लेंगे? इज इट टू मच और इज इट फाइन?
मैम
Is
it
it
is
too
fine.
much, ma'am?
टू मच? ओके, व्हाट डू यू वांट? टेक्स्ट करना है कि ये हैंड आउट करना है? वैसे टेक्स्ट में क्या ही है, मतलब मल्टीपल लाइंस, बार बार वही लाइनें आ रही हैं, आपने बस आइडेंटिफाई। मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन देना चाहूंगी रेफरेंस टू द कॉन्टेक्स्ट, ताकि आप मुझे करके बताएं कि आप कैसे करते हैं। तो टेक्स्ट ले लें या ये हैंड आउट ले लें, बताएं। या फिर अगर हैंड आउट भी
Yes,
बहुत
ma'am.
ज्यादा है तो व्हाट कैन यू डू? बताएं, डिसाइड प्लीज।
मैम
मैम
कोई एक
रेफरेंस
पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट दे देना, जैसे एक चीज दे दें, लाइक या एग्जिस्टेंशलिज्म दे दें, या कोई एक चीज
चले
ट्रेजिक कॉमेडी दे
चले,
दें।
सही है। ये जो यूनिट 1 है ना, वेटिंग फॉर गॉडो एंड एवन गार्ड प्ले, बस ये सेक्शन आपने पढ़ना है फॉर क्विज, ठीक है? इज दैट ऑल
ठीक
राइट?
है मैम।
ये काफी है?
यस मैम, ये
यस
काफी है।
ये
मैम।
तो हमने एक एक लाइन आई थिंक हमने पढ़ी भी है, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग। यस, आई थिंक वी डिड टॉक अबाउट इट। तो इसको थोड़ा सा पढ़ लेंगे तो आपको कितने पेजेस बनते हैं, इतने ज्यादा तो नहीं है, पढ़ लीजिएगा। हाँ, पढ़ लेंगे, इतना मुश्किल नहीं है। बस ये वाला सेक्शन छोड़ सकते हैं, डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस वाला। तो ये फर्स्ट सेक्शन का क्विज हो जाएगा, ये मैं आपकी क्लास में पोस्ट भी कर देती हूँ। Now that will be all for today. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask so I can answer those questions. If you don't have any questions, then I will be posting that announcement for the quiz. ठीक है, और उसके बाद हम आगे चलेंगे। उसके अलावा भी बेटे कुछ पढ़ते हुए कुछ आपको ऐसा लगे that it needs discussion, do let me know on campus or otherwise so that we can have a discussion over it. You do understand that as instructors or help and facilitators, we cannot go through each and everything. It's not a possibility. You have to do your effort. We can just tell you the tip of the iceberg. The iceberg has to be explored by yourself. तो इस हैंडआउट को भी अगर आप पढ़ लेते हो ना, प्रॉपरली समझ लेते हो, तो आई अश्योर यू कि ये इतना मुश्किल नहीं है। थोड़ा सा ऑफ हो सकता है कुछ लोगों के लिए, उनको अच्छा ना लग रहा हो या समझ ना आ रहा हो, वो रेजोनेट ना कर पा रहे हो, बट आई बिलीव दैट एट दिस लेवल 6 सेमेस्टर मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव अ लाइकिंग और अ टेस्ट फॉर लिटरेचर, तो कुछ ना कुछ तो आपको समझ आ ही रहा होगा। ऐसा ही है,
यस मैम।
यस मैम।
राइट? ट्यूसडे को आई थिंक 3 दिसंबर बनता है। हम्म चलो, मैं आपको लिंक भी यहाँ साथ लगा देती हूँ ताकि किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन ना हो तो प्लीज जिसको समझ आया उस बच्चे को बता दीजिएगा। अगर उसको नहीं, तो हम मंडे को तो मिलेंगे ही, तब भी क्लियर किया जा सकता है। क्लास रीडिंग्स में हमारे पास ये है, ठीक है? चल, ऑल राइट, थैंक्स, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर लिसनिंग टू मी। अल्लाह हाफिज, टेक केयर बेटे।
अल्लाह
अल्लाह
हाफिज।
हाफिज़।
अल्लाह हाफिज मैम।